Okay, now we are going to see the ray diagram based on the given information. Sometimes they may ask to draw the ray diagram by giving a problem. So based on the position of the object and the focal length, we may draw the ray diagram without doing problem also. So let me see such type of problems now. So write this problem as a classwork. Draw the ray diagram for the given data. And radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 28 centimeter. And the object is placed at 14 centimeter. Okay, see children, here without finding the image distance, we are going to draw the ray diagram based on the before experiments. Already we know the position of the object. Already we have 6 positions, children. See here, for that this is considered as concave mirror. So we have 6 positions. In that, pole, focus, center of curvature. See, the first position to place the object is position of object at first place is between P and F. Next, second position is at F. Next, third position is between F and C. Next, fourth position is at C. Fifth position is behind C. Sixth position is at infinity. Okay children, these are the 6th position. You remind children, to place the object in front of a concave mirror, we have 6 positions. In that, the first one is between P and F. The position of the object is between P and F. Second position is at F. Third position is between F and C. Fourth position is at C. Fifth position is behind C. Last position is at infinity. Okay, you reminded children. Now we are going to the data. Draw the ray diagram for the given data. Radius of curvature they given here. So radius of curvature for this mirror is 28 centimeter. So what we have to know? We have to know the focal length. We have a relation between the focal length and radius of curvature. That is what? F is equal to R by 2. Okay, F is equal to R by 2. So already we know the R. So from that, F is equal to 28 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 14s are. So we got the focal length as 14 centimeter. And also the given here, an object is placed at 14 centimeter. So what is object distance? Object distance is also 14 centimeter. So this indicates that the position of the object is at F. So as per the given data, we got F is a 14 centimeter. So let us assume that the concave mirror. So assume the concave mirror. Now I am going to draw the ray diagram by the given information without doing the solution. So here it is pole and principal axis, focus and center of curvature. It is focus and center of curvature. As per the given data, we know the focal length. What is that? 14 centimeters. Okay, so from pole to the focus is called, the distance between the pole and focus is called focal length. That is 14 centimeter. And the object distance is also 14 centimeter. That means the object is placed at a focus. So now what is the situation? Now the situation is second situation. So the object is placed at infinity. So if we place the object at focus, where do we capture the image? We can capture the image at infinity distance. So as per the rules, ray diagram rules of the ray diagram rules of a concave mirror. So now I am going to assuming a ray that is parallel to principal axis, which can passes through the focus, and the ray passing through center of curvature, then it can retraces into the same path. So here there is no interaction, there is no intersection between the two reflectors. That's why the image is formed at infinity distance. So the image is at a infinity. So we can say that the image is at infinity. Okay, this is the data to find without, this is the ray diagram to draw by the given information without doing the solution. Sometimes we need to do the solution based on the given data. Sometimes they can ask image distance also and draw the ray diagram also. So based on the given data we can do the problem, or else we can we can draw the ray diagram only. Now I am going to give a homework problem based on the same question. Okay, draw the ray diagram and write the characteristics. So based on the ray diagram only you write the characteristic without doing problem, children. Draw the ray diagram. It is a homework question. Draw the ray diagram for the given data. Okay, an object is placed at 25 centimeter from a concave mirror. Concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Okay, see here, as per the given data, an object is placed at 25 centimeter from the concave mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Without doing any solution you are able to draw the ray diagram, because already you know focal length. Focal length is 15 centimeter and the object is placed at 25 centimeters. So based on the focal length you may find the center of curvature. You have a relation between the focal length and the radius of curvature. So by that you can find the radius of curvature, and also you know the object distance, that is 25 centimeters. So by that you will get the object is placed at third position. So now you draw the ray diagram for the position 3, and also based on the ray diagram you write the characteristic, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.